Easy 3-ingredient treat. We're grabbing our mini graham cracker crust for $2.94, our marshmallow peeps for $2, and 2 bars of chocolate for $2.50. Okay, we laid out our mini graham cracker crusts on our sheet pan, and then we have our Hershey's milk chocolate that we are going to open up. You could also use chocolate chips or, a fancier chocolate, but we are going to break up our chocolate into little pieces, and we want to fill up our little cups with chocolate. That's why I got 2 chocolate bars, because I want to make sure that we get a lot of chocolate in these. I think I already put too much in that one, but don't worry, I will adjust. We're going to add maybe about like 4 of these little pieces per graham cracker crust to make sure that we get these all filled up. All right, last little bit of chocolate here.
Yeah, so 4 each one seems perfect.
Yeah, except for this one has 3, so we have to take from the first one. Perfect. Okay, so we have 4 little rectangles of Hershey's chocolate in each little crust. Now it's almost Halloween time, so of course we have to grab our marshmallow peeps. We have the pumpkins here today, but they have the ghosts, they have the Frankensteins, they have the skulls, but we are just going to carefully rip them apart and place them right on this chocolate. This dessert is so easy and so delicious. It's one of my favorites, and it's easy to customize with different chocolates, different peeps, different holidays. Just make sure you don't ruin that pumpkin's face.
Yeah, the face is so cute.
I know, it's super cute. That's what makes these such an adorable treat that you can make with your kids or just for yourself as a little snack. All right, easy 3 ingredients going into the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. Okay, time to take these out of the oven. Watch out, Shelby. Obviously, we got some other things cooking, but these look so cute. Oh my goodness, they're like little blobs of pumpkins.
Oh, that's so cool.
Absolutely adorable. Okay, they should be like a little hot, but maybe we can get one in my hand. Oh yeah, not too bad. Just like so. Oh, all right, let's dig into this.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh yeah. Woo-hoo. There we go. Get some of that graham cracker. This is crazy, okay? So fun for Halloween. I am so excited for Halloween.
Is it good?
A little messy, but I mean, it's s'mores. Doesn't get any s'more better than that.